a big day so far. Done a lot. Well, it's actually been a big 2 days since it first fired. Cooling system's in, air conditioning system's in, transmission cooling's all there. Nothing's leaking there, which is good. Haven't regassed the air conditioning yet. Most of the engine bay is sorted, just needs a little bit more tidy up here and there. Got all of this crap to get rid of. Still waiting on a few clips and a couple of clips for the wiring loom there and one against the block. Let's see, I'll just give it a fire up. It's idling a bit high. Having trouble with the kickdown cable. It's not retracting properly, so that's something I need to look at. Oil pressure's good, electrical's good, it's not showing me fuel, it's got 20 litres in it. The tacho's actually started working now, that's good. I was wondering about that. And the temperature gauge does work. I'm not going to run it right up to full temperature though. And there we go. It is actually working properly. Well, almost properly. There's a few gremlins in there, but I'll get them sorted out. Won't be too much of a drama. Just refitted the horns, the catch, and the other catch. Let's see if the horn works. It works. So I fitted a new power steering pump to this and changed all the lines. Okay, it's a little bit low, just drop a touch more in there. I actually don't remember how much oil I put in this. It was probably full, but it's been pulled apart a couple of times since. Should be enough to make it run. Let's see how it goes. So I haven't tested this power steering yet. Bit notchy, but that's to be expected. Yeah, power steering's a little bit notchy. I'm just going to have to lift it up and do the process properly, just to get the fluid right through the system.
Lyrical beast with the heart of a Land Cruiser, grinding on these beats like an audio bruiser. Raw like sushi, ain't no need for a booster. Rolling through the streets like a midnight cruiser. One hand on the wheel, other hand on a dream. Chasing every note, making every line gleam. Bound to the beat like waves to a stream. Land Cruiser flow got us all in the scene. Bassline's heavy, truck full of impact. Bars hitting hard, got no time to retract. In this rap game, never know how to act. Full throttle always, fact stack. One hand on the wheel, other hand on a dream. Chasing every note, making every line gleam. Bound to the beat like waves to a stream. Land Cruiser flow got us all in the scene.
Alright, so as I'm putting things back together, I'm finding a few bits and pieces that are broken, so I'm going to change them out. This one isn't in bad condition, seems to be intact. Surprisingly survived the rollover that this 80 series experienced. So I'll whip that one out.
Dusk falls and the city lights flicker. Speeding past norms, no time to bicker. Lyrics flowing smooth, rhythm never quicker. Land Cruiser soul, always here to deliver. One hand on the wheel, other hand on a dream. Chasing every note, making every line gleam. Bound to the beat like waves to a stream. Land Cruiser flow got us all in the scene.
Pretty easy to get it right. It'll sit out there.
Dusk falls and the city lights flicker. Speeding past norms, no time to quicker. Lyrics flowing smooth, the rhythm never quicker. Land Cruiser soul, always
Get
here
that
to
set
deliver.
right. Reasonably easy to set that. Okay, that's in place.
One hand on the wheel, other hand on a dream. Chasing every note, making every line gleam. Bound to the beat,
So these are
like
marked,
waves
it's
to
got
a stream. Land cruiser flow,
top
got
written
us
on
all
it.
in the scene.
This is the top, so it goes inside like that. A little bit of a pain to line these tags up, but it's not too bad. Push it in. That actually holds it all together. And this cover from the other side too, that also has, it's marked for the top. That goes in fairly easy. Just pushes straight down. Well, it's supposed to. Yeah, you just plug them in. But with any sort of luck, they'll actually work. Alright, slip the indicator housing back in. Just wait the Phillips head screw in there. You can see the hole, there it is. And make sure you don't do things up too tight, otherwise you'll end up breaking shit. And the other headlight cover should just slip in. Sort of fortunate with this build now, I've actually got a whole car of spare parts. If it's not there in one of them, it's gonna be in the other. So there's just stuff like this little clip. These things are fairly hard to come by now. Well, not that I've really tried, but I don't need to go ordering stuff and wait for a week for shit to get here. So it just clips in there. So this clip here fits into that little hole there. And it should just clip together. Should. And I probably should have put this in first. There we go. So now I just need a few Phillips screws and that'll all sit in place. I think there must be some sort of rubber that's supposed to go under that, but I haven't got it. Haven't got it on either vehicle, so it's not going to happen. Oh yeah, it's starting to look like a Land Cruiser. I think I've worked out what's supposed to go under them. It's them. I've missed a bolt. If I didn't do this up, it'd probably be one of those things that just vibrated and annoyed the crap out of me until I pulled the fucking thing apart again. Only rain's still coming down. Still a good chance, it's a week later, it's now Saturday again, and there's a bloody good chance that we could get flooded. I was fortunate in the first round, it didn't happen, but I crossed over the Ross River yesterday and it's the highest I've ever seen it. So the bridge works are underwater. It's the widest I've seen the Ross River in a long time. Well, it's the widest I've ever seen the Ross River. So there's a good chance that it might come up on my side of the river, which is the high side of the river, but it could still happen. I need to be fairly gentle here. This one's a bit bent. See if we can make that fit without breaking it off. I don't know if I can. Might have to do this off camera. All right, so I was fortunate enough to get that in without breaking it. Let's see if I can get it into its spot without breaking it. I think we might be almost done. I think at some stage of its life, this thing's had a hit in the left-hand side. Nothing quite seems to line up just right. This panel here, which with a bit of persuasion sort of goes back to where it should be. It doesn't really matter because I'm building this for the bush, not to make it look super pretty. Just need to whack these two indicators in. And that's pretty much the front finished apart from the bull bar. All right, so I've got two sets of these. These are the original ones out of this car, well, when it came to me, and they look to be in the best condition. The ones out of the blue one are a little bit, you know, a little bit cracked and broken and a little bit horrible. I think that was set up for an indicator on a bull bar. I won't cut it off yet, so I may use it on a bull bar or I may not. Oh, holy shit. There's still an arseload of work to do in this thing. I'm going to put all that dash together. Got all that junk stacked in the back there. That's all got to get refitted. I am super happy that we've gotten to this stage. It does put a little smile on my face. Might just leave you with a little bit of vroom vroom and a toot toot. That's not what I was expecting to happen. Why didn't that start? What's wrong? What have I fucked up? At least it's fairly easy. I worked out what it is. I didn't reconnect the fuel pump relay when I put the guard back on. When I was fucking around with the electrics there. That should start now. Let's try that again. See you next time with a vroom vroom and a toot toot. That's more like it. Catch you next time. Bye. So don't forget, if you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button, give us a like, and drop us a comment. Tell me what you think about the progress so far. I've got more done this week than I have in the last 12 months, which is pretty damn impressive, I think. I am super happy we've got it. Fuck off. So if you're hearing this, you've made it to the end, so good on you. Thanks for watching that. Oh, fuck it, I don't know what to fucking say.